This is my main circuit breaker. He's ready. He's so sure that everything's good. He's already locking it down. I like this guy. His confidence is amazing. It's awesome. All right, so hopefully everything's good. How was the install? How do you like working with the EcoFlow unit, if you don't mind sharing a few words?
Well, pretty good. You know, I kind of like it too. Maybe I'm going to install one in my house.
Oh, look at that. Well, there it is. Power's on. And there's no spark, no smoke. He's testing the circuits. We're looking pretty good. And just in a few more minutes, we'll be able to actually connect the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to that smart box down there. And we'll be able to power our entire home, guys. The entire home will be powered by a modular unit that is super capable. This is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and it can output 12 kilowatts of power. It is crazy. And yes, it does 240 volts, does 120 volts. It is a full home power backup solution, similar to what you might consider like the power walls. The power walls are not modular, so once you install it, it's installed. You can't take it with you, and you got to get permitted. You have to schedule installation. It takes months, not just a week. Like this actually took 1 day, to be honest, but power wall might take you 3 months to schedule installation, permitting, and all that. So it's much more of a detailed installation, whereas this is just a sub panel installation, and then you're connecting batteries to it. And if you want solar, you can connect solar directly to this unit. You want more batteries, you can add up to 5, maybe even 6. I forgot the spec for the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and you can even connect multiple EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to that unit right there, because it has support for up to 3 of them. That's just crazy. Anyway, they're wrapping up the install. I'm super excited.